In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keyboard shortcut in Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can trigger Gemini faster with a shortcut that feels natural to you. First, open the Google Gemini Windows app and look toward the top right corner of the window. Click the profile icon there. It may appear as your avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon. This is your gateway to all personal and app-level controls, and it's the quickest way to reach the settings you need. If your window is compact, you might see a condensed menu. The profile option will still be in that upper area. Next, select Configurations. Depending on your version, this area may be labeled similarly to Settings or Preferences, but in the Windows app, you're looking for Configurations. This is where Gemini keeps controls for behavior, accessibility, and input options. Opening it gives you a clear list of categories on the left and detailed options on the right. Now, locate the keyboard shortcut control and click to change it. When you click the existing shortcut, the field becomes active and waits for your new key combination. Press the keys you want to use all at once, typically a combination like Ctrl, Alt, or Shift, with a letter or function key. For example, Ctrl+Shift+G is a popular choice because it's memorable and unlikely to clash with common system shortcuts. If the app warns you that the combination is already in use or not allowed, try adding another modifier or choose a different letter. Avoid universal Windows shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, or Alt+Tab, and aim for something you won't accidentally press while typing. If you change your mind mid-entry, press Escape to cancel or Backspace to clear, then try again. On some laptops, function keys may require the FN key. Test whether your device needs FN enabled for F keys to register as shortcuts. Also, make sure the mouse cursor is still in the shortcut field while you press the keys. Otherwise, the app won't capture them. A quick tip. After you set the new shortcut, give it a try from your desktop or another window to confirm Gemini opens as expected. If it doesn't trigger, return to Configurations and choose a simpler or less common combination. Consistency matters, so pick something that fits your workflow and stick with it for a few days. Muscle memory will follow. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Configurations, and click to change the shortcut. Customize it once, and you'll save time every single day.